Hi, this is Pat, and in this video we're going to talk about creating events and having them show up on your website. We'll be using this demo parish, so to do that we'll simply log in to our site and navigate to the parish hub. I like to keep another window open so I can check my work. So I'm just going to click on Add a New Event, and let's just call this Training Session, and we'll say that it's going to start, we'll put it on a Monday, and events should be out in the future if you want them to show up on your website, and we'll just say that it goes until later that morning. What do you say we break for lunch around 12:15? Now we could tag an event, and that will allow this event to show up in tagged feeds. If we want to include an image on the event, we can add an image, and I'll just go ahead and use the sample URL. If we want to feature the event, that is, give it a little bit more priority, put a little star by it, and have it show up in a few more places, we'd click the Featured button. If people are going to register for the event and you would like other attendees to be able to see who else is attending, you can put attendance as public. And if you want to accept checks by mail, you can include that indicator and when those payments need to be received, or if they need to be received at the door. So this address is going to be used so that people can simply click on the address and get directions. General training session, we can put whatever we want in here to inform folks about the event. And then there's other information like instructions, maybe they need to bring something or a contact person. If there's a notice for people to be able to pay at the door, once they register they'll receive this notice. If they pay by check, they will also receive this notice, so you can just craft little notices that your attendees will receive once they register. And if you wanted to use a different registration system, you can drop that code in there. So once that information has been completed, I'm just going to click Create Event, and when I do that, you see it brings up another screen, and we're going to explore that one in just a second. But let's go back to our live site and refresh our page and see now that event is showing up in our feed, and it's already formatted and the like. So people can now click to get directions, they can add it to their Google Calendar, they see the time and date, and whether they're on their mobile device or on a desktop, they'll be able to use the event to quickly find out where they need to go and when. Now, sometimes you might want to allow people to register for an event. So to do that, we're going to add a package. And a package is something that someone registers for. And we'll just call this one, Let Us Know You're Attending. And we'll leave the price blank because we'll just say attendance is free, and we'll allow people to just register themselves. And we have 15 slots, so we want to keep track of that. And if we wanted to add any additional description about that package, we can. So I'm going to create the package, and now we see a new screen, and this is going to show us how many people have registered and are planning to attend. We can always come back and get access to this, view all the attendees, export it to a CSV file if we'd like. So let's see how that affects our event. We're going to go in and take a look, and now we see we've got a Register to Attend button. Well, when we click the Register to Attend button, it lets us know which one we're signing up for, and in this case it just is letting us sign up one person. So I'm going to click Continue, and now it will ask me if I'm the person attending this event or if I'm registering for someone else. Most of the time it's going to be I'm attending, so I'm going to select that. And now I have found myself registered for the training, and my registration is complete. If we go back over and refresh our management system, we'll now see that one has been reserved, there are 14 left, and there's no cost for this, so it's just indicating that it's been paid. We might want to collect a payment, and so let's say attending with lunch. So if we'd like to have lunch, and let's just say that lunch is $9.95, and let's say that we can handle 10 people for lunch. So now I'm going to create that package, and now I have two different packages. Well, if I go back over and I'm going to remove this from my profile, and I'm going to go back and start the process over. I'm going to click on training, and now this is if I wanted to register to attend and include lunch. So I'm just going to select one. I'm going to continue my registration. I'm the one that's attending, and now the system's going to give me the opportunity to pay online right now. I'm going to go ahead and select Pay Online Now, and that brings up the payment option for Amazon. So I can just simply click on my payment option, log into my Amazon account, and complete my registration. Doing that will include my registration in my registration reports, and any paid registrations or events that you receive payment for, you'll receive a check for 95% of the proceeds of the registrations in the mail each month for the prior month. We'd be happy to tell you more about that at another time and get into more detail with events, but go ahead and create some events, create some packages for people to register by, and give it a try. Thanks.